Hello everyone, welcome to module 5, and this is the final module. We are actually going to start building our app now. So we already have the PRD ready, we have our Figma files ready, and now we are going to start building in Cursor, which we installed in the first module. Hope you can see that. And first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to build a new prompt. So let's go back to GPT, which is my AI of choice. And I'm going to write a prompt now, which I'm actually going to give you guys, and we are both going to do it together. So before I begin, I just want to remind you that working with AI is non-deterministic, meaning that AI basically always gives you a different answer. So your answer might be different from mine, but I hope that the same problems occur with you as well. And what I'm going to teach you is the way to work with AI, not how to copy code exactly. So let's start. I will write the prompt. So there you go. Now I have written the prompt. This basically is the prompt, and what I have written is, first of all, you must ask it to become a Flutter expert and an AI expert. That really increases the responses quality. So now that we have this, I will also include it in the material, in the course material, so you can use it and you can modify it if you want. But basically, I'm just asking it to give me a prompt that I can then give to Cursor. So even for the prompts, we can actually use GPT as well, or any AI agent. We can use it from the prompts as well. So let's start. And now it will give us a prompt, right? So because I asked it, feel free to ask any questions. It is now asking me questions. So let's answer them. Target platform, mobile only, Android and iOS. Preferred Riverpod version, Riverpod only. Navigation approach. Let's use vanilla Flutter navigation. And state management. Do you want any global apps, state patterns, user auth, team management? No. Testing preference. Should we scaffold unit, widget, and integration tests? No tests right now. Localization or theming? Also no. So these are the answers. It is saying to us that feel free to paste your PRD here. Let's paste it. Let's go to our PRD. Let's select it all. Copy it. This is the RD. Boom. And now it will generate a new prompt based on our answers and our PRD. Okay. It's saying Riverport only for dependency injection, no state management or tests. Right? So just read it as I have read it right now. I see there are some problems that I would like to fix. For example, I do not want to use freezed or JSON serializable. I only want to use Flutter navigation. There are many things in it that I don't want, but as time goes on, you will get better at this. If you don't understand anything like what is freezed, you can just ask it, what is freezed? And it will respond. Or you can perhaps open a new chat and ask it freeze there. I already see some problems in it, and then I would like to fix them really quickly. So first of all, I want to use for state management, and I wanted to ask to now I wanted to remove freezed and JSON serializable, so I will say no freezed, no JSON. What is the build runner for? And don't add Figma screens in the prompt. And let's give it again. All right, so we removed all these. So I am asking it not to use Figma screens for references because it is normally AI is not very good at creating screens from Figma. Tells us what build runner is. So this is our final cursor prompt. This is our project structure, the main data presentation. Wait, users can add, edit, delete goals, assign emoji, and set daily frequency, view and mark goals as completed, see visual indication of progress. All that are stored on devices. Hmm. Also add that there should be two screens. One for adding goals and a home screen which displays goals. So now with this, we have our prompt for cursor. So let's copy this. Let's go to cursor and let's click on the toggle AI pane on the top right. This is the area where we will work with AI. So let's paste it here. You are a Flutter expert. So this is the name of our project, focus track, and we have given it a prompt. Let's see how it builds. And there you go. It has already started building. Ah, okay, it did not build. We have to say it to build. Yes, please start building the project. And now it will start. That is my mistake. So you see, it now even gives us terminal commands. Flutter create focus track. Run. And it created in our home directory project named focus track. And now it wants to navigate into it. Click run. The AI agent is now also adding some packages like Riverpod, shared preferences, UUID. It is making directories. Good. Now here we can actually open the project. Click on open. Go to home. This right here is focus track. Open it. Can open in a new window. Oh, and it has lost our old chat. That is bad. That is bad. That is actually a bug, but no problem. Let's remind it again. If it's taking too long, we can actually get our prompt again, back to cursor. You were building project based on this prompt, and we copy the prompt. Now it will start again. See, and now it will start generating files, building everything. Now, while it is generating files, it is important that whatever commands that it asks us to run, we run it. We see that it has generated our project. As you can see, it says your project is now fully structured and implemented according to your original prompt. So let's try to run it. Let's go to main. And right now you will see a lot of different red lines. Forget about all of them. We'll come back to it later. But let's run it and see what happens. With our simulator running, cursor will now run our project. Gonna take some time, don't worry. And voila, we have our project ready. So we have focus track, our app, homepage. We did not even design this, but it's there, a floating action button. We tap on it, add new goal, goal name, daily, weekly. Some things, of course, are wrong, but we can, of course, choose different emojis. Of course, many things right now are different than what we originally imagined, but we can always return to it. We can improve it later. But the point right now is just with one prompt, we have an entire project ready. So in the next lesson, we're actually going to modify this app and turn it into the way we want it to look like in our Figma file. So see you in the next lesson, and goodbye.